In this build, you guys might have seen it in a previous video if you guys follow the channel. I picked up this Acura TL Type S 6-speed over in Georgia. It was about a 6-hour drive there and back, so it was very tiring. But we bought it to flip it. Just doing a little review on it. You can see it's a TL Type S. It does have a few aftermarket parts. Let's do a little before and after. I already started on it a little bit here, but you guys can see nothing new here. Torn seats, very common in the TLs. Good thing is the dash is actually pretty clean. Look at that, clean dash. It's not cracked. Normally they are. Got the shifter box here. Seems like it's the hybrid racing shifter box. Let's see what's under the hood. Alright, so when I bought the car, it came like this, basically. The block is there, the transmission, the starter, all the wiring harness, ECU, all that good stuff. He blew the head or snapped the timing belt, so bent valves. The motor's pretty much shot. I have a spare motor that I'm going to drop in here. I'm going to freshen everything up, clean everything up, do new seals, timing belt, water pump, all that good stuff. And then give it a little tune-up and list it for sale. So if you follow the channel, this car might already be sold before I release the video. I don't know how I feel about it, if I'm going to throw the videos up already before I sell it, or sell it and then throw a video. So anyways, just doing a little video review before and after. I already started the car a little bit. We pulled out the axles. This car did come with coilovers, extended studs. It had spacers, like I said, a few aftermarket parts. We will be pulling out the motor here shortly, and then we'll put the new motor in. Stay tuned. Alright, we are replacing the windshield on the TL Type S. As you can see, there's a crack there. Shout out to my man Andy. He's actually has a business here, and he's actually gonna hook me up here. He drove to Orlando all the way down here, so that's family connection. That's his business right there.
Right there.
All right, put him in my YouTube channel. All right, anybody who needs glass work, hit him up. He's gonna be doing the windshield on my TL Type S. So. Alright, just finished up installing a brand new windshield. Like I said, I had a family that does windshield replacements, and he hooked it up. Really good pricing. I'll link him down below. Alright, here's the car all buttoned up. Basically got the swap in, got it all dialed up, did all the maintenance on it. Seals, gasket, oil, spark plugs, all that good stuff. Running really good. Gave it a test drive, drove it around, went on the highway, make sure everything drives good. I did list this thing up for sale already, so if you see this video, more likely this car's already sold. If we don't get our asking price, more likely we might just keep the car too. So either we keep the car or the car's already sold. So that's how she looks, how she sits. Take a look inside. As you can see, seats are torn up. We do have covers for them. Probably gonna install the covers here shortly too. But you guys look inside. Car idles real nice. Not too warm yet. Got the nav. Dash. It shifts real good. Super short because it has the short shifter in it. So it actually has a pretty nice feeling. I mean, I have the K-Tune shifter box. Feels a little bit more notchier than this one, but the stock one with the short shifter feels pretty damn good too. I ain't gonna lie. hood. As she sits, we got all the plastics in. The car is very clean. Sounds real nice. No leaking, no oil drips. It's all sealed up. It has the short ram intake on it. This is aftermarket. It's actually off of my old black TL. It has a little heat shield here, and it's running, I believe, a K&N filter too. So this thing is pretty much completely stock. Besides that little short ram intake, stock cat, stock exhaust, stock ECU, stock everything. So.